Trying to level up as a data analyst? Udemy is packed with courses, but which ones are actually worth your time and money? Here are the top 5 Udemy courses for data analysts. And let's start the list with the Data Analyst Bootcamp by 365 Careers. This all-in-one course covers Excel, SQL, Power BI, Python, and more. With over 150,000 students and a 4.5 stars rating, it's a perfect pick for beginners aiming for job-ready skills. Next up, we have the Complete SQL Bootcamp by Jose Portilla. SQL is still king in data analysis, and Jose's course is a community favorite. G2 reviewers say it's clear, practical, and perfect for mastering query. And as you can see, a 4.7 star rating doesn't lie. Next up, we have the Python for Data Analysis and Visualization, also by Jose Portilla. This course walks you through pandas, matplotlib, and real data sets. Great for moving beyond Excel and into automation and scripting. Next on the list, we have the Data Visualization and Analytics with Tableau by Jason Zhang. Tableau is still a top BI tool. This course helps you build dashboards and impress stakeholders. Trustpilot reviewers say it's simple enough for beginners, but deep enough for pros. And finally, on our list, we have Statistics for Data Science and Business Analysis by 365 Careers. This underrated gem teaches you how to think like an analyst. You'll cover probability, regression, A/B testing, all with business-focused example. Also, a bonus tip, look for courses with lifetime access and downloadable materials so that you can revisit them as needed. So whether you're just starting or sharpening your skills, these 5 Udemy courses will help you stand out in the data world. Have you tried any of these? If you have, tell me your experience in the comments down below. And if this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more data career tips. See you all in the next one.